Yo, what's up imvu fam? Today I'm showing you how to create fire outfits on imvu, like a total pro. Whether you're flexing on your feed, showing out in chat room, or styling your next edit. Let's level up your drip in just a few steps. Let's go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're ready to glow up. Step 1, start with a theme. First things first, start with theme or vibe. Are you going for a streetwear look? Soft girl? Cyberpunk? Theme fits always stand out more than just random pieces thrown together. Pro tip: create mood boards or look up outfit inspo on Pinterest or TikTok. Step 2, build your fit around one statement piece. Pick one standout item, like a bold jacket, fire shoes, or even wings, and build around it. This keeps your outfit focused and aesthetic. Use complementary or matching colors to tie everything together. Step 3, layer like a stylist. Layering equals elite. Jackets, belts, chokers, skirts over pants. It all adds depth and makes your fit look premium. Without layers equals mid. With layers equals icon. Step 4, match skin, hair, and accessories. Don't just focus on the clothes. Your skin tone, hair color, and accessories need to flow with the outfit too. Try custom skins, rare hairstyles, or aesthetic eyes to bring it all together. Step 5, save your fits. Use the outfit save feature so you don't lose your combos. I keep photos like casual, club fits, photo shoots, and even troll fits. Yeah, I got range. Stay organized. Stay stylish. Bonus tips. Here's a few quick pro tips to level up fast. Use HD textures and scalers for a cleaner look. Mix items from different creators. Don't just wear full sets. Check out shop bundles for easy theme fits. Zoom out when styling to check proportions and layering. Final thoughts. And there you go. That's how to style like a pro on imvu. Which style should I break down next, baddie? E-boy? Futuristic? Let me know in the comments. Like if you learned something, subscribe for more imvu style drops. And drop your ad if you want a fit review in the next vid.